In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable location services on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and select location. Toggle location services at the top to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.